I feel like with me, I had a medical problem that no one could really put their finger on, but Dr. Threkold said what it sounded like to him. So he pushed me on to go to specialists and get diagnosed so we would know how to handle it. And I feel like he just listened to me. He just listened to me. When you really truly care about people, if someone comes in through the door and has that look and they tell you they're just not feeling well, you know something's wrong. You're gonna take care of them and get them where they need to go.
I have been a patient of St. Elizabeth since birth. Why did I choose St. Elizabeth? Because number one, they're invested in my community, which, you know, me as an individual and as my family, it's very important to me. The doctor that I see at the primary care office, he is a close friend. And anytime that I've been, you know, nervous, I have a young son who played soccer, something would happen and I was like, you know, I don't know. You know, I would call and he always answers my call. If I'm not feeling well myself, I can get in that day. I value that. I'm a busy woman. I don't have time to not feel well.
I go to Williamstown Primary Care, and my primary doctor is Dr. Threkold. He's just an awesome doctor, and he does listen. He takes the time that he may or may not have at that moment, but he takes the time to try to look at all aspects of what's going on with you, not just that symptom right then and there, like what could be causing this.
And I as well, I go to the Williamstown primary as well, and Dr. Ford, I call him Dr. Ford, yes. And he is our doctor as well, like I said, and not only friend, but I do feel like, and he always encourages me too, you know, to take better care of myself. You know, he's saying, hey, Pennie, it's time for your mammogram, or Pennie, you know, it's been this many years, I know you're this age, which I don't really care to talk about, but you know, you need to start doing your colon test. And I'm like, I don't know about that. And he's like, you know, okay, well, if you don't feel good about this, what about the color guard?
For them to care enough to take the time to call you back personally, to feel like that we can reach out and get answers and get that caring. They do care. I make appointments through my chart. I send messages to my doctor, and he is very prompt to answer me. I love looking at my test results, especially since I've been going through this health problem. Then I can see what's going on through my chart. It's just invaluable.
Yeah, it would be helpful, even with my primary, you know, with my self-care. I need to know, you know, when's it time to do my exams? When is it time to do my mammograms?
It's all on my chart.
Exactly.
You need to be established with a physician, so if God forbid something comes up, you have that connection.
St. Elizabeth feels like home to me. We just had our grandbabies. Not only was I born here, now my grandchildren are born here. So feels like home. I mean, I wouldn't go anyplace else. I wouldn't trust any place else with, you know, myself or my family or my loved ones or any of that. And I'm grateful, you know, that they've been through so many different stages of my life and been there for me,
yes.
Which is huge. Knowing that you are going to get the best just gives you a sense of comfort and a sense of peace.